And President Trump posted on Truth Social that he planned on implementing a most favoured nation policy for pharmaceutical drug prices. What then does this mean for Dr Reddys, and do we know if India qualifies or is eligible?
Yeah, so this is normally related to what you call the innovative drugs, so the products that are still under patents. So they are being sold in very high price, and normally in the United States higher than other countries. So in that kind of a process, they take certain countries and probably go to the best price out of that scope of countries. In the case of generics, it's not applicable because the generics normally give significant discount on those prices. So it's mostly about the big pharma, less about generics. It will create an impact as obviously pharma products will be with the lower prices, and it will impact demand and supply. In a strange way, it's mostly an opportunity for us, but directly the price itself will not be impacted for generics.
I see. So arguably, Erez, you are still facing and still on the hook of proposed 25% US tariffs on pharmaceutical imports. How then is Dr Reddys managing this risk from a pricing and a supply chain management standpoint?
When you're discussing with the US customers, and I'm doing it on a consistent basis, the most important things for them is not to have shortages, not to have a problem of sustainability of supply. And we ensure them that. What we do is we are proactively communicating with them and sending inventory, primarily to the United States. And we understand that there will be a period of time in which people will understand how much is tariff and how exactly it's going to be computed and who is paying what from which country of origin. So will be likely a kind of transition period in which people will have to figure it out, and hopefully the inventory can cover for that.
Erez, Novo Nordisk's patent on semaglutide, pardon me, I knew I'd get that wrong, is set to expire in India. Can you share how Dr Reddys plans to expand its portfolio of GLP-1 and focus on the diabetes and the obesity drug markets in India and elsewhere at a time when it is under a lot of critical and a lot of competition?
Yeah, it's a very, very important segment. Diabetic is a very, it's a disease with a high level of prevalence and just going skyrocketing actually. Only in India, more than 1/3 of the population of India are either diabetic or pre-diabetic, so it's even scary numbers. And saw it around the world. Naturally, Novo Nordisk did an amazing job introducing this product, as well as other companies that are doing that. So we identified this group of products as well as other diabetic products to act on them globally. Whenever IP patents restrictions will allow us to enter, we will try to be there day one, and this is what is expected for us in semaglutide. We know it's going to be very, very competitive. Many companies will be there. And we are prepared with the relevant cost structure, whether on the API or on the dosage form or on the supply chain.